Vishu is a special celebration of Kerala. It is a festival of prosperity and joy. Vishu is celebrated on the first day of Malayalam month, Madam. The Malayalam word Kanni literally means that which is seen first. So, Vishu Kanni means that which is seen on first on Vishu. The traditional belief is that the new year will be better if one views auspicious joyful things as the first thing on Vishu. Malayalis spend their day before preparing a set of auspicious items. This setting is the first thing they see when they wake up on Vishu Day. Today, we are going to set up a Christian version of Vishu Kanni. So please do watch it and share this video. If you find it interesting, please do subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. The Vishu Kanni is the first thing you see on the day of Vishu. Usually, it is prepared by the mother or the eldest woman of the house in the family prayer room. A lot of details are seen into making a proper and auspicious Kanni. The whole Kanni is prepared around an image or a statue of Jesus. Bright yellow flowers called as Kanikonna is usually used to decorate the arrangement. But as we couldn't find them in our place, we have replaced them with yellow and orange marigold. Then place a clean lit bronze lamp or nilavalaka nearby in such a way as it imparts a golden yellow hue to the ambience. Here we have used a nilavalaka with 5 tiri. Always put odd numbers of lights in the lamp. Never put even numbers. We have decorated the lamp with some jasmine flowers too. Then place a coconut cut into equal halves near the statue of Jesus. Keep the halves upright and place the candles inside. To arrange the Kanni, use a cleaned brass vessel, urli, in which the Kanni is arranged. Urli is an open-mouthed, small circular vessel made up of panchaloham. You can also use a normal urli or a clean tray. Keep the Kanni urli in front of the statue of Jesus. Carefully picked golden cucumber or Kanni vellari, jackfruit or idichakka, yellow pumpkin, ash gourd and raw mango are placed in the urli. An ornamental shining mirror or Val Kannadi is kept inside the urli. Val Kannadi is a special type of brass mirror with a long stem. Mirror in Vishu Kanni is a symbol of seeing yourself as a part of abundance. You see in the form of Kanni. Next, in a silver plate, keep fresh fruits. Here we have mango, orange, grapes and kadali banana. We have also kept a whole coconut in the plate. Adjacent to the silver plate, we have added a small urli and kept a vilaka with a cross. Inside the urli, unyapam and jaggery is added. Near it, standing tall, is the para, filled with paddy or the unhusked rice. It is a symbol of auspiciousness, as rice is the staple of Kerala cuisine. The para or the nirapara is a measuring pan that has traditionally been used to measure paddy after harvest. On a flat bottom plate, a freshly laundered and ironed white dhoti Kerala style with golden embroidery, that is, the Kasuvak Podava, is placed next. A gold coin or gold ornament is also placed over it. We've also placed a silver anklets and kumkumam besides the gold ornament. In a kindi, keep clean water along with some flowers. A kindi is a traditional vessel with a tail used to keep water. Place an incense stick and we will light them up when we light the candles and the vilakku. In a flat bottomed brass plate, put raw rice or unakal ari. Over it, keep some coins and currency notes. Finally, but definitely not the least, place the Holy Bible with the rosary on a banana leaf. With this, our setting of Vishukani is complete. The Vishukani is arranged on the previous night. Usually, the mother in the family sleeps in the room in which the Vishukani is prepared. She wakes up early in the morning and lights the lamp. She then blindfolds the eyes of each person in the family and guides each person to the Vishukani. Vishukani is later distributed amongst the poor and needy people. Reason behind this ritual is a strong belief of the people that the fortune of the rest of the year depends on the first object they see on Vishu Day. Great things come to those who dream to have a great life. May all your dreams come true. Wish you a Vishu filled with love, peace, hope and joy throughout the year. Hope you get blessed with unending happiness and love of your close ones. Wish you all a brilliant Vishu. Ellarukkum Vishu Ashamsagal.